5 Best Pet Stain Carpet Cleaner Machine for Home Reviews. Number 1. Bissell Big Green Professional Carpet Cleaner. The first thing about Bissell Big Green Carpet Cleaner will draw your attention is its design. Its green color and gorgeous design must blow your mind. Heavy suction power and the large capacity of water is the main feature of this device. They use a Bissell formula that boosts up the working power of the device for cleaning. Its tank can contain 1.75-gallon water, which is pretty impressive. 9-foot large hose with a 6 inches taut stain tool can spray and scrub on the deep spots and stains properly. No matter it will be on your stair, curtain, upholstery or sofa. It will perform everywhere similarly well. That will clean and kill the germs from the carpet with vapor at the same time remove the odor. A couple of bottle liquids are attached to the device. After over those bottles you can collect more from the nearest shop. Number 2. Hoover Power Scrub Deluxe Carpet Cleaner. To keep the indoor environment pet stain free and personal use purpose, people may not want to waste commercial level expenses. Their Hoover Power Scrub Deluxe is the best pet stain spot carpet cleaner machine. Reduce germs and the unexpected stain is the main performance of the cleaner. To do the thing perfectly, it has a 360-degree brush set inside what can clean dirt from inside. Dual nozzle and dual tank technology are installed. There it works to spray, suction and dry the place at the same time. After using the hose and the compactable tools you can erase hard stains and other unexpected dirt from your carpet easily. Interestingly, it has automatic mixing technology to mix up the detergent. Without its packet, this machine's weight is 8.6 kilograms. Number 3. Hoover Smartwash Automatic Carpet Cleaner. Out of those cleaning machine which works automatically, Hoover Smartwash is one of the best. Your forward push will drive it to clean. After cleaning you just need to pull it back. This takes a minimum time to do that. Even its detergent mixing technology are also automatic. Moreover, it is a perfect device that will save your time by all of its automation. To remove the deep dirt, there is FlexForce Power Brush technology that will extract the dirt from deep, remove the odor, stain, and spots. You will have an 8 feet long hose, a bottle of cleaning liquid, and a bag that you can use for keeping the machine. Because of its auto motion sensor, it can guess what it should do in order for each move. Even it works impressively better. Number 4. Bissell ProHeat 2X Revolution Max Clean Pet Pro Carpet Cleaner. Often cleaning stain will not be enough. Moreover, it needs hair cleaner and dryer too. Bissell ProHeat 2X is the type of best pet stain cleaner for your carpet and rugs. No matter how skunk odor or stain your carpet got, it will work and clean from deep. For cleaning purpose, there is a max cleaning mode. After enabled that, the dual lifting power brushes are started to moving over 12 rows. There you will have pre-treater which can sense the density of dirt in different places. Order to the density, it performs more or less. For using a large room, there is a 6.10 meter power cord. With each unit beside the machine, you will have urine eliminator liquid, antibacterial cleaning, and a 2-in-1 pet upholstery tool. Number 5. Hoover PowerDash Pet Carpet Cleaner. When you have more than 3 to 4 pet or more, then cleaning the carpet or rugs are become a challenge. But Hoover PowerDash is such a lightweight machine which can release you from the tension. Its antimicrobial protection cleaning system will make your surface more germ-free even within minimum time. There it can contain 1.8-liter water on its tank. Because of its lightweight design, it will be easier to use in day-to-day life. With each unit of this, you will have a carpet shampoo of Hoover which comes with Oxy technology from the USA. This ensures the proper and advanced cleaning issue. Force heating and high suction power ensure the cleaning system faster. Lightweight and minimalistic design that helps to carry or store anywhere. Either of the tanks makes difference water between after and before cleaning.